techcode. Attention, fellow tech enthusiasts. Today, Tech Code TV is here to satisfy your geeky cravings with a showcase of cool gadgets for real geeks. From futuristic devices to cutting-edge innovations, these gadgets are designed to excite and inspire the inner geek in all of us. Join us as we explore the latest tech marvels that are sure to impress even the most discerning geeks. Whether you're a gamer, a sci-fi fanatic, or a lover of all things tech, get ready to geek out with us. March 24th, 2023 marked the end of an era with the final episode of Pokémon after 26 years. The associated merchandise continues to captivate fans, including the Visonic Dome Contact Lens Cleaner. Shaped like a Pokeball, these cleaners use ultrasound technology, akin to that found in medical labs, to effortlessly remove dust, pollen, and grime from your lenses. Priced at around $80, it's a must-have for Pokémon enthusiasts and lens wearers alike. The Pip-Boy, a wrist-worn computer from the Fallout game series, has become an iconic symbol of post-apocalyptic exploration. Weighing around 900 grams, this gadget offers a plethora of features for survivors of nuclear fallout. Paired with a smartphone, it functions as a clock, alarm, and message viewer, and even allows calls. Additionally, it doubles as a power bank for your devices. While lacking a built-in radiation meter, the Pip-Boy offers unparalleled functionality for Fallout fans. Priced at $350, it's a premium option for immersive gameplay. For those on a budget, consider the 1.4-liter Pip-Boy mug, available at only $50, a stylish and affordable homage to the Fallout universe. When you think of anime, you might not picture a dystopian psychological thriller set in the future where law enforcement monitors citizens' mental states to combat crime. However, that's exactly what Psycho Pass delivers. Despite being banned by the Chinese Ministry of Culture in 2015, the series has amassed a dedicated fanbase and a plethora of merchandise. To commemorate its 10th anniversary, a replica of the Dominator gun from the series has hit the market. Just like in the anime, this replica scans targets, transforms, and provides hints. Priced at $1,300, it's a must-have for fans of Psycho Pass looking to immerse themselves in the world of futuristic law enforcement. Now let's take a trip back to the future with the Jet Quad drone, a flying marvel inspired by the iconic car from the movie. Built on the Jet Quad platform and powered by 4 jet engines, this drone boasts a top speed of around 400 km per hour. Equipped with the AB6 version platform, it's capable of flying drones up to 11 km, making it a versatile and high-performance option for aerial exploration. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a fan of futuristic gadgets, the Jet Quad drone offers an exhilarating glimpse into the future of flight. Lightsabers may be a distant dream, but the market is brimming with models inspired by these iconic weapons. Cool toy models cater to fans, offering a daily dose of excitement. However, quality comes at a price, with top-notch lightsabers setting you back $600. What sets these sabers apart is the level of customization they offer. Owners can choose their desired color, tweak effects, and adjust sound settings. Made mostly of durable polycarbonates, these sabers are sturdy and easy to replace, making them perfect for fearless fencing enthusiasts. Some manufacturers even standardize lightsaber components, allowing buyers to create custom versions tailored to their preferences. Gran Turismo games have a cult following for their realistic physics, inspiring creations like the Lamborghini V12 Vision Gran Turismo gaming PC. Crafted in the image of the Italian hypercar designed specifically for the game, this PC case pays homage to Lamborghini's 1968 concept car, the Marzio. Priced at $222, it's a stylish addition to any gaming setup, combining performance with aesthetic appeal. Channel your inner Tony Stark with the ZD Toys Iron Man Mark V suitcase. While you may not be carrying an Iron Man suit inside, this sleek suitcase is perfect for transporting your laptop and essentials in style. Surprise your coworkers with its futuristic design and functionality, making every journey an adventure. For those craving the ultimate superhero experience, look no further than the killer body Iron Man Mark VII armor. Priced at $1,980, this full-size suit comes equipped with voice and remote control, moving parts, dazzling lights, and top-notch sound effects. Step into the shoes of Tony Stark and command attention wherever you go with this incredible ensemble. Step into the world of James Bond with the Aston Martin DB5 Goldfinger continuation. Originally featured in the iconic 1964 film Goldfinger, this legendary car makes a triumphant return with only 25 new DB5 Goldfinger continuation cars available. Packed with a 290 horsepower engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive, this masterpiece comes with a price tag of $3.5 million, embodying the epitome of luxury and sophistication. Say hello to R2-D2, but this time it's not carrying tools for fixing stuff, it's got a fridge inside. Surprisingly, it maintains the same size as the original droid, making it a perfect addition to any Star Wars fan's collection. But that's not all, it also comes equipped with a projector, allowing you to easily set up a Star Wars movie marathon wherever you are. Who knows, maybe this R2-D2 has a message for Obi-Wan Kenobi too. It's more fun to figure it out while holding a can of soda cooled to 7 degrees centigrade. Just use the remote control to summon your favorite beverage and dive into the tales of a galaxy far, far away. Fans of the Half-Life game series are getting creative while eagerly awaiting the third installment. From the iconic gravity gun to the portal gun from Portal 2, these game weapons are making their way into the real world. Someone even sold a real working gravity gun for $221,000 and donated all the proceeds to children's hospitals. A true testament to the dedication of the gaming community. Gabe Newell, Valve's head, even hailed Portal 2 as their best game, further cementing its status as a gaming legend. For Batman fans, the Joker is an iconic character worth every penny. Inspired by the Suicide Squad movie, the Joker bust SY7599 captures the essence of the infamous supervillain. Priced at $115, this bust offers more than meets the eye. With interactivity built in, a remote control allows you to swivel the Joker's head and move his jaw for added realism. While assembling the Joker may be a challenge with its 1,478 parts, the end result is a fully fledged collector's item that any Batman enthusiast would cherish. As we wrap up our journey through the world of cool gadgets for geeks, it's evident that technology continues to amaze and delight us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the geeky joy with your fellow enthusiasts. Stay tuned to TechCode TV for more thrilling updates on the latest geek-worthy gadgets and innovations.